Hello, what's up? Today in this quick video I want to show you how you can convert a total stranger to a paying customer. You can also call it how to convert a cold audience to a warm audience. Before I continue, what I do here is whatever I have tried and I know that it is working, I come here to teach you so that both of us can succeed together. So that is what I do here. And if you are new here, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also like my page and follow my page so that you get all the free stuff I'm giving out here. Now let's continue. So what you are going to do first is you will create a video ad. And if you create that video ad, you may not be necessarily selling anything yet. Just create a video ad. Then after creating that video, instantly you will now create a custom audience. You can follow me on my computer. You go to your audience and you hit custom audience. Then you are going to create custom audience of video. Then you are now going to select the watch time. You can see there are different percentage of video watch there. So there are people that watch it for 10 seconds, people that watch it for 15 seconds, people that watch it for 25 percent, and people that watch it for 50, and so on. So depends on what you want to choose. And for me, I like to choose this 50%. For somebody to have watched your video for 50%, it means to some extent is somehow interested in your business. It could be that he doesn't have enough data. That's why he couldn't watch it to the end, or maybe he was a kind of in a hurry to go somewhere. There are so many reasons that could have caused him to watch it to 50%. So I'm okay with this 50%. Then you are going to select the video. You hit on this choose video to select the video. I have two videos here on my page here, and make sure you have selected your page. This is the page I want to use, and that page is already selected. So I am going to select these two videos because these two videos are related. So anybody that have watched these two videos to 50% means he's somehow interested in what I have to sell. So you are going to hit confirm, then the number of days, so that I can capture all the people that have watched that video to 50%. Then you can now give it a name. Watched my video to 50%. Okay, this is the name of the audience. Then you click create. All right, now you have created that audience. So what you are going to do now, the next ad you are going to create, you are going to target those people. You are going to target those people that have watched your video to 50%. So these are category of people that are highly interested in whatever you have to offer. So this time around, you are kind of going to like sell to them. You can now tell them what you are selling, or if you still want to warm them further, you can now create another video that will give them more information. So, and let me tell you the kind of video you are going to create. The kind of video you are creating should be a video that is very, very informative, video that is valuable, video that will help them solve a particular problem. You are going to a kind of giving them an example of what you have to offer. So after watching your first video, the goal is for them to say, wow, this guy is trustworthy. That is your goal, for them to be able to trust you, for them to be able to like what you have to offer. So you are kind of giving them an example of your product, or an example of what you have to offer. So you give them something very valuable that they will like it, that they can even thank you for it. So after they have watched that first video, if they see the second video, they will also watch, because those people that like the first one will also like the second one, and from there they have started knowing you gradually. So when you start selling your product to them, they will no longer be saying, I can't trust this guy, I don't even know him, it could be a 419, it could be and so on and so forth. So they will no longer say so. If you benefited anything from this video, I'd like you to share it with your friends and your family members. Hit the like button and let me know whether you are going to start this method in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to my email, and you can also follow me on Twitter, follow my page, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all the free videos that I have for you. It will be of benefit for you because it is going to help your business to grow. Thank you for watching this video again. Bye.